Good evening, May 28th, and we're looking at a daily chart of Tesla as it trades in this upward channel towards a higher grounds. If you noticed, we had a high here at 488 in December, and then it trucked down into this downward channel here, and it started moving sideways. And then all of a sudden, here on April 21st, we started moving higher, and this is the latest motion, sideways motion for Tesla stock. It made a green candle yesterday, and today there's a red candle. Let's take a look at it and the 1 minute chart here, 1 hour chart, and that'll give you a better perspective. Let me get rid of these lines here, but hope you don't mind this thing. These lines are equities showing after hour trading. We had been trading after hours, so this is what it looks like. This is a sideways motion that took place, the consolidation pattern here. It broke out here on 27th, and we hit 365 and it pulled back a little bit. So it may pull back a little bit here up to this line where it may rest, or it will come back into this line area 341 range if it can. And then if tomorrow the markets, depending on how the markets are going, we may see another rise into it and probably hit this 380 area on the upper end to it. So the Tesla is on the move to the upside. There is a breakout here. It's not a false breakout. It may fall back, but more likely the chances are that it will continue going towards the higher ends. And the predictions are, there are a lot of good news that are coming out on Tesla these days, robots, AI, this, and so on and so forth. And you're seeing some of the Elon Musk interviews and some other things, which is really harboring the great things about the company. And it is taking the stock is noting that conversation. So therefore, we have some juice here. It more likely, this is a technical analysis, but more likely the news that are also affecting a lot about Tesla. We had we had a weekly chart. Take a look at it. This has been a weekly chart. It has gone up here, slid down very massively, and then now we're in this holding pattern towards the upside. How long this will last, it's anyone's guess. But if it is, our positions are still intact. We hope that Tesla will clear 400 in next week or two or so. That is the part of it, depending on how the market stays there. Let's take a look at another chart here, which is VIX. That also helps a lot understand. The wicks had been very high lately on in April, and now it has slid down completely down to this end, and the bottoming it out here at is below is 200-day moving average now. So 18 or 19 reading is pretty safe. The market. That's why Tesla and other stocks are moving higher, in conjunction with SPX, which is no SPX. This is the XPX, which is the S&P 500 spoofs. Uh, I have put Fibonacci retracements on it to see from this high in on 20th February to the low here on April 7th, how much we have retraced. We have retraced 78% of it, which is a very good, very good recovery. The market has made a inverted bottom here. This is an inverted head and shoulder patterns, which is a bullish pattern. There's one peak here, one here, and this is another, looks like a peak is formed here. So it's an inverted head and shoulders, most likely pattern, and it probably will suffice to say can go up to 6,000 levels. This is why all these stocks that you may see along with Tesla are also moving in. Nvidia had income, Nvidia had, let's cover this. Nvidia, it had earnings today. It is moving after hours to 141, so it may gap up here. So let's get back to Tesla. The final chapter is not written on this stock. It is still in the transition. It's moving sideways, consolidating, moving higher at a pace, and providing us with green candles. So that is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and comment on the bottom. We'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Uh, Thanks a lot.